Imagine waking up tomorrow, July 27th, 2025. No internet. The sky is a strange, dark gray. A fine layer of ash covers everything. Cars, trees, roads. The radio blares. Yellowstone has erupted. This is global. The ash cloud spreads at terrifying speed, turning day to night across North America. The sun vanishes. The air is filled with sharp, microscopic rock, dangerous to breathe, deadly for electronics. Power grids fail. The world goes dark and silent. Flights are grounded worldwide. Ash destroys jet engines. Ships struggle as oceans fill with debris. Roads become impassable, buried under heavy concrete like sludge. Communities are suddenly isolated, cut off from the world. But this is just the beginning. The ash in the atmosphere acts like a giant mirror, reflecting sunlight away. A volcanic winter begins. Global temperatures drop by up to 10 degrees Celsius. Crops fail. Farms freeze. Food supplies dwindle. The world faces a new, terrifying question. How will we eat? The eruption is catastrophic, but the aftermath is what truly threatens us. Survival now depends on how we adapt to a world transformed overnight. The Earth has stood still, and everything has changed. The countdown to survival has begun. What is a supervolcano? It's not just a big volcano, it's a geological monster. A supervolcano can eject over 1,000 cubic kilometers of material in one eruption. Imagine a mountain of ash 1,000 times the size of a major city hurled into the sky. These eruptions are measured on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, or VEI. A super eruption is a VEI 8, the highest possible. That's 1,000 times more powerful than Mount St. Helens. Supervolcanoes form massive calderas, not cone-shaped peaks. There are about 20 known supervolcanoes worldwide: Yellowstone, Lake Toba, Phlegraean Fields, Lake Taupo. These are active systems, with magma slowly building pressure beneath our feet. Unlike regular volcanoes, supervolcanoes erupt when the ground itself collapses, unleashing all that energy at once. It's not a mountain erupting, it's the Earth exploding. These rare events can change the climate and threaten life on a global scale. We live on a thin crust above these sleeping giants, mostly unaware. The next eruption is a matter of when, not if. 74,000 years ago, Toba erupted in Indonesia, the last VEI 8 event. The result, a volcanic winter. Global temperatures plummeted and humanity nearly vanished. Food sources collapsed. The human population may have dropped to just a few thousand. Toba's ash is found across continents, a fingerprint of disaster. Ice cores reveal a dramatic spike in sulfur, confirming a planet plunged into darkness. The lesson: the real danger is not the explosion, but the climate catastrophe that follows. Our ancestors barely survived by adapting to a harsh new world. Today, our challenge would be even greater. Yellowstone is the world's most watched supervolcano, sitting atop a colossal magma chamber. It's erupted 3 times in the past 2 million years. If it erupts again, pyroclastic flows would obliterate vast areas instantly. Ash would bury cities and poison water. America's breadbasket would become a wasteland, triggering a global food crisis. Scientists monitor Yellowstone closely. Warning signs would come, but evacuating millions is a logistical nightmare. The world would have to cope with the fallout, both literal and figurative. Survival depends on collective action and science. With agriculture crippled, we'd turn to hydroponics, vertical farming, and stored reserves. Communities would need to become self-sufficient, learning new skills and relying on local resources. International cooperation would be vital, sharing knowledge, technology, and food. Early warning systems and scientific monitoring are our best defense. Humanity is resilient. We survived Toba with primitive tools. Today, we have science and global communication. Preparedness, unity, and trust in science are our keys to survival. Together, we can face even the greatest challenges Earth throws at us.